here's what you're gonna do if the Apple Watch microphone is not working. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so there are two sides of this. First of all, there might be some features or settings you need to change to make the microphone work, but then there are also situations where the physical mic simply does not cooperate. So let me start with the software things. Like, a lot of people want to use microphone for things like dictation and input text using the voice. This has to be enabled when you go to the settings, general, and there is the dictation toggle, so you need to enable that, right? So that is the first instance. Another thing is the Siri, for example, where you can enable the listen for, and this is going to turn on the microphone for the commands, and it's going to listen for these commands, right? You can also mean using the voice memos recorder to capture stuff with your voice and use the microphone for it. And if you don't have that application, you can just get it from the App Store and re-download it back onto your Apple Watch. So, you can get it back or get access to the microphone if you don't have it through these means, right? So it depends on the feature, but you can just enable it like that. But if it doesn't work for some reason, then there is a dedicated Apple support page about this, so you don't actually have to read the whole thing. Obviously, I'm going to link it below if you want to, but the point is that you need to most definitely clean the microphone if the speaker or mic isn't working, right? So you can see that we have some things that we need to follow. So we have a little guideline of where the speakers and the ports actually are, so you can clean it like that, and you can basically just see the guide right there on how you can clean it. So you have the ability to remove the substances or debris in visible places, and you can just hold your Apple Watch under light running warm water until it's clean. And with the Series 10 or later, you can also use a soft bristle brush to remove debris gently from the speakers as well as from the microphone ports, but we don't use cleaning liquids, sprays, or abrasives to clean it, right? But that is definitely something which I believe should help you out, as cleaning the microphone should definitely improve the features and it could make it clearer. So that's something which I would do outside of just updating the Apple Watch. That's like a very common thing. You should definitely update your watch as well. But I'm gonna wrap it up right now. That's what I wanted to share and show you in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.